Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize a SoFi credit card for autopay and statements, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your SoFi account on the official website or app. Navigate to the credit card section from your dashboard. Click on the Manage Autopay option. Select the credit card you wish to set for autopay. Choose your preferred payment amount. You can select either the minimum payment or the full balance. Next, pick the payment date that works best for you. Make sure to link a bank account for the payment to be withdrawn from. Confirm your choices to finalize the autopay setup. To set up electronic statements, return to the credit card section. Look for the Statement Preferences option. Select the option to receive statements electronically. Review your contact information to ensure it's correct. Save your changes to activate electronic statements. You will receive a confirmation notification regarding the setup. Remember to regularly check your email for your monthly statements. You're now all set with autopay and electronic statements on your SoFi credit card. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.